Hello, welcome to the CCNA Cisco course, exam 200-120, brought to you by Eduonix. This is the second introduction video. We're going to look at some career paths now, or at least certification paths that you could potentially follow with different Cisco certifications. So this is a slide that's actually brought to you by Cisco. Let's have a look at it and let's zoom in a bit, shall we? Okay, so here we are here. This is quite a good little guide, to be honest, of all the things that you can do. So the certifications are listed down here. The Cisco Networking Academy curricula. You have IT Essentials, CCNA Security, Discovery, CCNP, and CCNA Exploration. With actual certifications, the first one, interestingly enough, it has a prerequisite here. It has CompTIA A+. I don't quite agree with that because this is essentially a Cisco guide and that isn't Cisco. So the entry level one is going to be the CCNT here, the Cisco Certified Entry Network Technician. After that you have the CCNA, which is what we're doing now. You then have a lot of things after the CCNA that you can look at. There's lots of different ones you can look at which we'll cover. CCDA, CCNP, CCIP, CCSP, CCVP, CCDE, CCIE, and then CCAR, Cisco Certified Architect. And the levels here are kind of indicative of the list. You can see as it goes back here, it goes from the academy courses, novice, right the way through. So down here we have, with that amount of experience, you have IT technician, a depot technician, or remote support technician. With IT Essentials, after that, you would cover your CompTIA A+, which would again cover you for that kind of work. With 0 to 1 years of experience, you can be a network analyst, network auditor, network technician, or a help desk technician. You can do these stages here. You have 4 different stages: CCNA Discovery, followed by an advanced CCNA Discovery. CCNT is also covered in there as well. CCNA Exploration as well. But then with 1 to 3 years of experience, you can do the full CCNA. Then there's a few different routes you can go down. All the different concentrations. You can do network design, CCNA security, CCNA voice, CCNA wireless, routing and switching, service providers, or storage networks. You can, that's with 1 to 3 years experience. With 3 to 5, you could be a network designer, a network engineer, network security, or voice or wireless engineer, which is the CCDP, CCSP, CCVP, CCNP, CCNP, and CCIP. With 5 years of experience, you could be the lead network engineer, designer, or administrator, which is a CCDE, a CCIE security, voice, wireless, routing and switching, service provider, or storage network. And then at the top of the tree here, with 10 plus years experience of network architecture, you have the CCAR, which is the Cisco Certified Network Architect. Obviously, they couldn't call it the CCNA because that's kind of way down here. They had to call it the CCAR instead. So that's the kind of path that you want to follow. And even when you start down here, your aim should be at least kind of CCNP level here, or CCIP. And then, once you've got to that stage and you're very familiar with Cisco, the CCIE after it is just going to be an absolute breeze because you'll have been doing it for so long that, the kind of things that will cover in that exam will be almost every day to you. I'm not saying they'll be mundane, but they'll definitely be every day.